Hello students, this is mathematics class for 7 and today we are reading about integers. In previous video I told you about how we will draw number line and about positive integer. Okay, positive integers. I told you about positive integer and negative integers. Okay, so you know that plus we not plus 1 equals to we write 1. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are positive integer and minus 1. -2, -3, -4, -5, so on. These are negative integer. So you know that in math we have 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiply and divide. So today we will apply operation in positive and negative integer. First case first. When positive integer added with positive integer. When positive integer added with positive integer, so what we will get? We will get a positive integer. Okay, positive integer plus positive integer equals to positive integer. Look this one. Suppose 2 is a positive integer and 7 also a positive integer. 2 is a positive integer, 7 is a positive integer, and when we add both 7 plus 2 it will be 9. So 2 is positive integer, this is positive integer, 7 is positive integer, and answer also positive integer. So when positive integer added with positive integer, our answer will be positive integer. पॉजिटिव इंटीजर प्लस पॉजिटिव इंटीजर करेंगे तो आपको आंसर में क्या मिलेगा? यू विल गेट पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. ओके, नाउ लुक वन मोर एग्जांपल. 3 plus 6. 3 is a positive integer, 6 is a positive integer, so what you will get? 9. 9 also a positive integer. 3 is a positive integer, 6 is a positive integer, and 9 also a positive integer. 1 plus 2. 1 is a positive integer, 2 is a positive integer, and what you will get? 3. So 3 is a positive integer. It means when positive integer added in positive integer, we will get a positive integer. Getting positive integer plus positive integer equals to positive integer. These are rules for operation of integers. So you have to remember that one. When positive integer added with positive integer. Positive integer क्या होता है? जिसमें plus sign होता है. Here no sign, it means that one plus sign. And here no sign in 7. It means that also plus sign. And when you are adding 2 and 7, you are getting positive integer. 3 also a positive integer, 6 also a positive integer. When you add both, you get 9. So 9 also a positive integer. 1 is a positive integer and 2 is a positive integer. So when you add, you get 3. So this one also a positive integer. So what is first rule? When positive integer added in positive integer. So what we will get? Positive integers. Okay. Now second rule. Second rule is negative. We can write negative like that, minus sign IVE. Negative. This is called negative. Okay. Negative integer. Negative integer plus negative integer equals to negative. Okay. So look, positive integer. Positive integer. In previous one we say positive integer, but now here negative integer. यहाँ पे क्या है? नेगेटिव इंटीजर, साइन ऑफ प्लस, नेगेटिव इंटीजर एडेड इन नेगेटिव इंटीजर. नेगेटिव इंटीजर को नेगेटिव इंटीजर में ऐड करेंगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? नेगेटिव इंटीजर. ओके. When negative integer added in negative integer, आपको आंसर क्या मिलेगा? नेगेटिव इंटीजर. सपोज करो एक बच्चा शरारती है, उसका एक दोस्त और मिल गया उसको शरारती. ओके. तो दोनों शरारती बच्चे मिलके क्या करेंगे? शरारती करेंगे ना. सो लाइक दैट नेगेटिव इंटीजर प्लस नेगेटिव इंटीजर इक्वल्स टू नेगेटिव इंटीजर. अदर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे दो अच्छे लोग हैं, एक अच्छा बच्चा है पढ़ने वाला, उसको एक और दूसरा अच्छा बच्चा मिला, वो साथ बैठ के क्या करेंगे? वो पढ़ाई करेंगे. तो सेम हियर कि नेगेटिव इंटीजर प्लस नेगेटिव इंटीजर इक्वल्स टू नेगेटिव इंटीजर. ओके. सो नाउ लुक, I written negative integer here. Minus 1 is a negative integer. Minus sign here, so this is negative integer added in minus 2. Minus 1 negative integer है and minus 2 also negative integer. So look how you will add that one. Look here, you have minus 1 and you have minus 2. Okay, you are adding both. दोनों को ऐड करना है तो what we will say? Both will added. You can add negative integer and negative integer. So look what we will do. 2 plus 1, 3, and here sign of minus. Here also sign of minus. Same sign we will put here. We have to add both. Minus 1 and minus 2 you have. This one negative integer, this one negative integer. You are adding both. So how you will do? Same sign you will put here. Sign तो minus ही रहेगा. 2 plus 1. How you add numbers? Number को number में add करना है. 2 plus 1, 3, and this minus remain as it. Okay. So here we will get minus 3. So negative integer plus negative integer equals to negative integer. Like that you have to calculate. Second example, look. Minus 7 is a negative integer and minus 5 also a negative integer. You have to add both. Minus 7 negative integer, minus 5 negative integer. You have to add both. So what you will do? How you will add? Looking here, minus sign, minus 7, and here 5 and 7. You will add 5 and 7. 5 plus 7. You know 5 plus 7? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So you will get minus 12. You have to add numbers. नंबर को आपने ऐड करना है एंड दिस साइन रिमेन एज इट. इस साइन को ऐसे ही लगा देंगे तो इट विल बी minus 12. So negative integer plus negative integer equals to negative integer. Okay. Now look some more example. Suppose minus 3, negative integer, minus 5, negative integer, or we are taking 7 here. Okay, minus 3 and minus 7 both are negative integer. We are adding both. Clear? We are adding both. So what we will do? Look that sign. Look here. You have minus 3, negative integer, minus 7, negative integer, and we have to add both. You have to add both. Okay, to minus, here also minus. So only one time you have to put minus sign here. Minus to है, but you will not do minus. You will add these digits. इन नंबर को, इन डिजिट को आपने ऐड कर लेना. 7 plus 3. 7 and 3. You have to add how much? 10. Minus minus same sign, so we will write only one time. So this one being minus 10. So what we will write here? Minus 10. Okay. Now look one more example. You have minus 8 and here minus 3. Minus 8 and minus 3 both are negative integer and we have to add both. So what you will get? What you will get? How you will do? We will write here minus 8 is a negative integer, and minus 3 also a negative integer. Both we have to plus. So look, both have same sign. Same sign, so we will write only one time. And 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3, 11. So minus 11. Getting students? Okay, so positive integer added with positive integer. Negative integer added with negative integer. एक जैसे इंटीजर्स को हम ऐड कर सकते हैं एंड यू गेट सेम. आपके पास एक नींबू था, एक और नींबू आ गया, दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो आपके पास 2 नींबू बनेंगे. तो ऐसे ही पॉजिटिव इंटीजर प्लस पॉजिटिव इंटीजर इक्वल्स टू पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. जब 2 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स को ऐड करेंगे तो आपको पॉजिटिव इंटीजर ही मिलेगा. लाइक दैट व्हेन यू ऐड नेगेटिव इंटीजर प्लस नेगेटिव इंटीजर इक्वल्स टू नेगेटिव इंटीजर. जब आप 2 नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स को ऐड करेंगे तो आपको हमेशा नेगेटिव इंटीजर ही मिलेगा. रिमेंबर दैट पॉजिटिव इंटीजर एडेड विद पॉजिटिव इंटीजर एंड यू गेट आंसर positive integer. Negative integer added with negative integer and answer will be negative integer. जैसे कि एक अच्छा पढ़ने वाला बच्चा एक अच्छे पढ़ने वाले बच्चे के साथ ही दोस्ती करेगा और वो दोनों क्या करेंगे साथ मिलके पढ़ाई का ही काम करेंगे. ऐसे एक शैतान बच्चा और एक शैतान बच्चा खुरापात करने वाले बच्चे अगर उनकी दोस्ती होगी तो वो साथ में मिलके क्या करेंगे? खुरापात करेंगे. लाइक दैट पॉजिटिव इंटीजर एडेड इन पॉजिटिव इंटीजर एंड आंसर विल बी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. नेगेटिव इंटीजर एडेड विद नेगेटिव positive integer added with positive integer and make a positive integer. Negative integer added with negative integer and make a negative integer. Now look what happened if we add a positive integer and a negative integer. Positive integer. Positive integer plus negative integer. अब case number 3. What happened if you add a positive integer and a negative integer? क्या होगा जब आप एक पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव को ऐड करेंगे? Suppose 7 is a positive integer, okay, and here sign of plus, minus 3 also of minus 3 is a negative integer. ये negative है, this one positive. So what will be your answer? 7 क्या आपका positive integer. You have to plus and this one minus 3 plus and here minus 3. So how you will do this one? I tell you this one with the help of number line. Suppose this is a number line and here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And here you have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. अब देखो, I told you that 7 is a positive integer and minus 3 is a negative integer. Okay, if you ignore minus sign, so which one greater? 7. So first we go to 7. 7 में जाएंगे and how much you have to subtract? Minus 3. So 7 से minus 3 पीछे आएंगे. You are going back. So 1, 2, 3. You are going back. So where you reach? At 4. So what will be your answer? Answer will be 4. Look, directly look this one. 7 and minus 3. You have to add these two. 7 and minus 3. When we can't add one positive and one negative integer. When you have one positive and one negative integer, we have to do subtraction at that time. Okay. So why you will do subtraction? In 6th class, I told you that 7 as it plus into here bracket. So you have to multiply with this minus sign. Plus into minus, minus. When you multiply, bracket means multiply. Bracket means multiply. When you multiply plus to minus, you will get minus. And this one being 3. So अभी क्या हो गया? 7 minus 3. How much? 4. So when you try to add positive integer and negative integer, you can't add these two. Both are different nature. One is positive integer and one is negative integer. So we can't add them. So in that case what happen? They will subtract it. Okay. If you want to tell answer directly, so 7 minus 3 is 4 and sign greater number. Greater number. We can't add two different integer. One is positive, one is negative. So we can't add these two. We will subtract them. Minus करेंगे. Okay. 7 minus 3. How much? 4. Sign of greater number. अगर आप इसमें सिर्फ नंबर को देखेंगे तो 7 and 3, तो which one greater? 7 is greater. What is sign of 7? Plus. So here also plus. Like that you will solve this one. Okay. Now suppose you have one positive integer 2 added in negative integer minus 10. So what will be answer? You are doing this is positive integer and this one negative integer. So I told you when you have to do addition of both positive and negative. So we can't add them, we have to separate them. Okay, subtraction, normal subtraction, greater number to smaller number. जैसे आप normal subtraction करते हैं वैसे ही करना पड़ेगा. 10 minus 2, how much? 10 minus 2, 8. Okay, 10 greater number I am saying. Don't take this minus sign. 10 is greater number than 2. So 10 minus 2, this one being 8. And sign of greater number. What is greater number here? 10 is greater number, and what is sign of this one? Minus. Okay. So when you add any positive integer to any negative integer, so we can't tell what exactly you will get in this case. It can be positive integer or negative integer. That depend on number. Which number will be greater, we will get that type number as a answer. Okay, that type integer as the answer we will get. Suppose here 10 minus 10 is negative integer and 10 is greater than 2. So answer coming negative integer. In first case 7 is greater and answer coming 4. 7 is positive integer, 4 also positive integer. So remember one thing, when you add negative integer and positive integer, among these two, negative integer or positive integer, what will be greater? We will get same answer here. If negative greater, so we will get negative integer as answer. And if positive integer greater, so we will get positive integer as a answer. Okay. So these three rules you have to remember for calculation of integers. Okay, now I am telling you one more thing. Okay, in your book, page number 3, there is one question that written, try this. Can you find a pattern for each of the following? If yes, complete them. Here one question. A is page number 3. At last of page number 3, you can look this one. Try these. You here given a pattern. 7, 3, minus 1 and minus 5. This is a pattern and you have to complete it. Okay. Pattern means here equal gap. When you subtract these two, first look their series. This one is ascending or descending. आपको ये देखना है कि ये बढ़ने की ओर जा रहा है कि घटने की ओर जा रहा है. So look, first here 7, then being 3, then being -1, then -5. So it means that one is descending order. So we will take subtraction of first two. 7 minus 3. When you do 7 minus 3, how much you will get? Okay, 7 minus 3, 4. 7 minus 3, you will get 4. After that, subtract these two. 3. And we are doing minus, and within bracket also -1. Okay, -1. So how you will solve this type question? In 6th class, I told you 3 as it. Okay, 3 as it. Minus, bracket means multiply, minus into minus, plus. Okay, just recall to you, plus into plus. When you multiply same type of integer, what you will get? Positive. Plus multiply with plus. Positive integer multiply with positive integer, so you will get positive integer. Negative integer into negative integer. When you multiply minus to minus, that case also you get positive. Okay, one is negative and one is positive. If you multiply these types, so you get minus. Same sign, when you multiply same sign, you get plus. Positive into positive, positive, negative into negative, then also positive. Look here, this is multiplication sign. And minus into plus, then you get minus. And here plus into minus, then also you will get minus. If you multiply same type of sign, you get same sign. जो इनका साइन है वही आपको यहाँ मिलेगा. प्लस इंटू प्लस, प्लस मिलेगा. But when you multiply minus into minus, then also sign will be plus. Okay, plus into plus, plus, minus into minus, then also plus. But when minus into plus, it will be minus. Okay, plus into minus also minus. In 6th class we read about that one. So look here, minus within bracket, minus, minus into minus, plus, minus into minus, plus being, and 1 as it. So 3 plus 1, 4. Looking, here also difference coming, 4. Now we will check for this one. Okay, first you check for these two. Why we are doing minus? Because this series in descending order. 7 से 3 हो गया, 3 से -1 हो गया, तो कम होती जा रही है. So when you take difference of these two, you are getting 4. When you take difference of these two, you are getting 4. Now we will take difference of this one. -1 minus -5. Okay, so this one remain as it. Minus within bracket, minus, minus into minus, plus, and here 5. One is positive integer, one is positive integer, one is negative integer. So I told you that we will subtract greater number to smaller number. 5 minus 1, 4. Sign of greater number. What is sign of greater number? Plus. So this one also being plus. So here also difference 4. Now what we will do? How you will make series? Now we will 7 minus 4 you are getting 3. 3 minus 4 you are getting -1. And minus 1 minus 4 you are getting -5. So -5 minus 4. देखो 7 में से आपने 4 माइनस किया तो आपको 3 मिला. फिर फिर 3 में से आपने 4 माइनस किया तो आपको -1 मिला। फिर आपने -1 में से -4 किया तो फिर आपको -5 मिलेगा। अब सीरीज को कंप्लीट करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, -5 में से -4 को करेंगे। ओके, 7 -4, we are getting 3 here, 3 -4, ओके, 3 -4, 3 में से आपने -4 किया तो आपको क्या मिला, -1 मिला आपको। 3 -4 किया तो आपको क्या मिला था, -1, ओके। फिर आपने क्या किया, -1 में से -4 किया तो सेम साइन एडेड, यू गेट 5 एंड साइन ऑफ माइनस। अब आपके पास है -5, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, सेम साइन है हियर, ये आपका -5, ये है -4, so what you will get, -9, so what you will get here, -9। अब आप क्या करेंगे, दिस वन -9 -4, जो इनका डिफरेंस है बीच का उसको माइनस करते जाएंगे, -9 -4, नेगेटिव नेगेटिव, सो सेम साइन एडेड, सेम साइन को एडिट कर सकते हैं हम, 9 + 4 13, साइन ऑफ माइनस, सो हियर यू विल गेट -13 and -13 -4, so how much, -17, so -17, okay, like that we will complete this one. Okay, if you want to draw this one in number line, if you want to draw this one in number line, so here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, okay, here -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 -8 -9 -10 -11 -12 -13 and -14, okay, so start. 7, first one is 7, after 7 you are getting 3, so gap of 1 2 3 4, 4 का gap मिला, then -3 to -1, here also gap of here to here 1 2 3 4, here also gap of 4, then -1 to -5, okay, 1 2 3 4, ओके। अब -5 से कहाँ जाना है आपको, 4 के गैप में 1 2 3 and 4, so you will reach at -9, ओके। यहाँ से भी आपको 4 का गैप लेना है, 1 2 3 4, so after that you will reach in -30 and after 4 more gap, so you will reach in -17. This is long method for calculating this one and I told you short method. 7 - 3, फर्स्ट 2 को आपने कैलकुलेट करना है, 7 - 3 क्या मिला आपको, 4, तो हर किसी में से आपको 4 4 माइनस करते जाएंगे, तो देन यू विल गेट दिस सीरीज। Like that you will try other question at home. If you are not able to solve this question, so next day I will explain to you. Till that time, stay at home, revise properly and